Hi there and welcome. Does your inventory manager spend countless hours manually managing product catalog? Do you struggle keeping up with your inventory up to date in terms of pushing new items quickly to your e-commerce platform? Stop spending time in spreadsheets and vendors' websites and start using automated tools. Introducing print shop modules PromoSync and Sage Connect, your ultimate solution for seamless product catalog management within Acumatica. These game-changing plugins are designed to be time saver, a productivity enhancer, and truly a game changer for your business. And let me walk you through this. All right, let's start with PromoSync, our powerful module that connects directly to SanMar product vendors via API. Imagine no more manual data entry for SanMar products. So here we are in Acumatica with PromoSync connected to SanMar. We already configured our configurations via Promo Standards API and SanMar credentials. So Promo Standards is a place where most of the vendors are integrated and following a common standards, an open industry standards. So we are a member of Promo Standards and we are integrating with all the vendors out there using the API. With the simple configurations configured, now you're one step closer to creating the product catalog management in our system. So now let's see PromoSync in action. PromoSync is now pulling all the essential product information directly from SanMar. So if you take a look at this, it's showing me all the products that we have just pulled from SanMar. It's got the product information, the unique key, the colors, the inventory key, the product information in terms of product titles, sizes, style, including the product images, and price and costing. All of this information can be pulled into Acumatica through our PromoSync. Imagine if you go down to SanMar website and go down to the new listing of all the activewears. You see various products that SanMar actually creates in their system. Here, let's take a look at LST941. If this product was new, and I do see that it's not there in my inventory, I can go back to Acumatica and I can quickly do a quick add and be able to list that particular product LST941, and I want the products that are listed in black color. And I can quickly click on quick add to bring down all the products into Acumatica. Here, I was able to bring down all the products from SanMar website, which are all of that particular style LST941 and all the black and different sizes. So I have that information right here in the system. Now I can decide whether to create an Acumatica inventory item or not. I've already gone ahead and created some of these items. So let's walk through by clicking these two options, which is the black color but different sizes. And I can scroll to the right to see what kind of sizes we need, 3XL and 4XL. Maybe you want to sell those products and you want them to create in Acumatica as well. So I can choose that and be able to say create item. On create item, the system is smart enough to create those product items for you. Let us open this product information to see the information that it has created for you. It's got everything filled up in terms of the item class, the tax categories, the wholesale, the cost information, the pricing information, the vendor information in terms of SanMar being the vendor here, the attributes. It's downloaded the product images as well for you. If you go down to cross-reference, you'll also see the vendor part number from SanMar is also directly keyed into the system along with the description of the product. So now we are one step closer to taking this product and listing it on an e-commerce web store. That's how easy it is to use PromoSync to be able to bring in new products from your vendors, whether it's SanMar, S&S, or any other vendors that you work with. Also, take to the next level. I can highlight any product in the system and then be able to look up the product availability in terms of pricing and stock availability. So as I bring this information through an API call, I also want to go back to SanMar website so you can see what the pricing and inventory looks like. So if I come down here, I can see that this particular product is available, let's say if it is across different warehouses. Similar information can be pulled into Acumatica through an API call. So now I can see that it's available across different warehouses, which happens to be the Richmond warehouse. We got some products, some quantities left. So I know that I can order that from SanMar because we do have that in stock and I can see that. So this is again built into Acumatica so that you and your team can take advantage of that in terms of having that inventory created in Acumatica and having a cross-reference to a SanMar product and being able to look up the pricing and availability. So now you're one step closer to creating a purchase order and procuring the goods to fulfill the orders that you got from your e-commerce store. This is just a quick overview of what PromoSync can do with product management within Acumatica. So reach out to us if this really interests you. The rapid item creation means you can get new products listed and available for sale almost instantaneously. So that was a quick overview of PromoSync. We are working with other vendors to really integrate this into Acumatica. So now let's take a look at Sage Connect, which is another solution that we have in terms of managing your hard goods and even other products that Sage Connect really provides you. All right, next, let's look at Sage Connect. Our module is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Sage system for hard goods, allowing for efficient management of just-in-time inventory. You may be a member of Sage, workplace, and you have access to their product search and supplier search across. So let's take the same interface and be able to search for a particular product within Acumatica through the API and be able to create the products within the system. So let me show you how. If you go down to Sage Connect, you can establish a direct API integration by configuring our configurations here. Once that's done, you're one step closer now to be able to pull down products from Sage. So here I do have my product information already pulled up for some of the products, such as mugs, awards, hard ads, you name it. So I can also narrow down by keying in the category itself. Here I'm going to select mugs and I'm going to see all the products that are listed on Sage website is actually within our Acumatica system. However, they're not created as inventory items yet because I'm not willing to sell all of those thousands of products. Maybe I just got in an order for a 22-ounce insulated mug. I would like to now create this product in Acumatica. So I can highlight that information, say product info, get more information in terms of the supplier name, the colors, the size, if any information that I need in terms of the image as well. Once I have done that, now I can quickly create an item into Acumatica. All right, so I can come down here, quickly select my item class and also my vendor in this case. If I already have that created, I can go ahead and click create and it'll create an inventory item just like that from Sage into Acumatica. So I can click on this to see my product that I just created with all the information needing in terms of the cost, the price, the vendor information, the attributes in terms of product images as well, any cross-reference for that matter, and the description from the description of the website. So all of this information was automatically pulled into Acumatica through the Sage API. If I look at Sage website, you will notice the product information, the item number, the SPC number, the category, the supplier, and the description as well. Now all of this information is inside of Acumatica as well as an inventory item. So that's how easy it is to connect to Sage and pull down any data that they have in terms of the product information into Acumatica. Now that we have seen how quickly and accurately PromoSync and Sage Connect populate your Acumatica catalog, let's talk about the next critical step, which is getting these products to your customers. Right? You can take any product that you have downloaded and selling actively within Acumatica. With Acumatica Commerce Connector, you can actually enable these products to be shown on the website. And through whether Shopify or BigCommerce or Magento, you can actually list these products on the website, allowing your users, the customers, to place orders, which again gets pulled into Acumatica through the Commerce Connector so that you can fulfill those orders. So let us make PromoSync and Sage Connect manage your product catalog. Stop managing your inventory the old way. Embrace the future of product catalog management with Acumatica's print shop modules. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration and see how we can transform your business. Thank you.